Welcome. This video is brought to you by My Shoe Covers reusable and washable booties for residential contractors with a grip you can count on. If you're an HVAC professional or thinking about starting an HVAC business, today we're going to talk about something that's critical for your growth and profitability: specialization in residential HVAC services. Many HVAC companies try to handle every heating and cooling job that comes their way, but here's the truth: when you try to serve everyone, you end up serving nobody. Specialization is the key to building a profitable, scalable HVAC business, and today, we're going to show you why. In this video, we're going to break down why specializing in specific residential HVAC services can help you charge higher prices, attract better clients, and reduce competition. We'll also cover 5 profitable residential HVAC specializations that can set your business up for long-term success. Number 1. HVAC system replacement and installations. System replacements are some of the highest ticket jobs in residential HVAC. Specializing in full HVAC system replacements positions you as a trusted expert rather than a basic repair technician. Homeowners are willing to pay premium prices for proper sizing, professional installation, and long-term efficiency. HVAC system replacements typically range from $6,000 to $15,000 or more, with extended warranties and maintenance plans, creating strong recurring revenue. Number 2. Emergency HVAC repair services. HVAC emergencies are high-stress situations, no heat in winter, or no air conditioning in extreme heat. Specializing in emergency HVAC repair allows you to command premium pricing for same-day, after-hours, and weekend service. Emergency repair calls often range from $300 to $2,000 or more, depending on urgency and system complexity. This specialization also builds trust, loyalty, and strong word-of-mouth referrals. Number 3. Ductwork repair, replacement, and airflow optimization. Many comfort issues aren't caused by the HVAC unit itself, but by poorly designed or damaged ductwork. Because ductwork requires specialized knowledge and labor, many HVAC companies avoid it, making this niche highly profitable. Full duct repairs or replacements typically range from $2,000 to $10,000, and homeowners are willing to invest when comfort and efficiency dramatically improve. Number 4. Preventative maintenance and HVAC service plans. Preventative maintenance plans are one of the most scalable and predictable HVAC specializations. By offering annual or semi-annual service agreements, you create consistent recurring revenue while reducing emergency breakdowns for homeowners. Maintenance plans typically range from $150 to $400 per year per system, and when scaled across hundreds of customers, this niche becomes extremely profitable and stable. Number 5. Indoor air quality solutions. Indoor air quality is one of the fastest-growing HVAC niches as homeowners become more concerned about allergens, humidity, and overall health. Specializing in air purification, filtration upgrades, humidifiers, dehumidifiers, and ventilation systems allows you to bundle high-margin add-ons with existing HVAC work. IAQ solutions typically range from $1,000 to $5,000 per installation and pair perfectly with system replacements and service calls. So why is specialization so important for your HVAC business? Because it transforms you from a commodity into an expert. Specialization allows you to charge higher rates, attract better clients, and avoid competing solely on price. With fewer competitors in high-value HVAC niches, you gain stronger margins and a more resilient business. Specialization also increases efficiency. When you focus on a specific service, your systems improve, your team gets faster, and your results get better. Homeowners don't want the cheapest option. They want the right solution delivered by a professional who knows exactly what they're doing. On behalf of the My Shoe Covers team, thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more business tips. And drop a comment below. Which HVAC specialization are you thinking about focusing on?